Hello everyone, this is Piyush Karan from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. I have participated in Salesforce Support Virtual Internship in partnership with AICTE powered by Smart Interns. During the course of time, I have chosen Salesforce Developer Program in which I have learned many incredibly useful things that have let me be more skill oriented and equipped than I was before. I now have the ability to excel upon internship experience that can shape the perspective of my life. I'm here to synthesize my at Salesforce Support Virtual Internship Program. I was given the internship without any prior experience, and this virtual internship didn't make me miss a physical office around me because of everything from tools to accessories to mentors to superiors to support team was available on my fingertips. The Smart Intern platform was super user friendly and everything required for a perfect virtual internship experience. The mentor support was incredibly swift, simple, and seamless. And not to forget, they were super friendly and ready to help me out at any given point of time. I would like to sincerely thank Salesforce Support Virtual Internship in partnership with AICT powered by Smart Interns for providing me with this fantastic opportunity and making me industry ready. I once again thank each and everyone. Thank you.